You are here. Too many people are coming here to listen to us. This is very good. It's a very good organization. But how can Pierre de Manila achieve this? Are there any process there or not? Yeah, there's a process. Who will define this process? The owner of this company. So, you are an organizing company. If there is no process, what will happen? If there is a process, what will happen? Okay. What's your idea about these questions? Let's start with this table. What do you think about that? If there is a process, okay, the objectives, targets will be achieved. Good. Okay. I want one answer from each table for the positive one. If there is a process, what will happen? Okay. Customer satisfaction. Good. Now, this table. Good. Efficient. Okay. I can manage the variation in my process. Okay. I don't outside of the limits. Good, very good. Loyalty of the people, or customer. I can increase the loyalty of the customer, because customers want to buy these products regularly. Very good, customer loyalty. Here, from this table.
There will be clear communications among employees.
Sorry?
There will be clear communication.
Clear communication is good. Good communication. We can say one word. Because we will use these wordings in KPIs. What's the critical performance for this business? Good communication. Sustainable profitability, good planning, and etc., etc. Not in a sentence, just a few vocabulary. Okay, we will define KPIs like that. Okay, now this table, what's your answer? Yeah, to whom? To stakeholder, to everyone. Good. Yes. This table. Oh, yeah. Maybe synergy is very, very big, but very important word. Synergy, good synergy between all stakeholders. Maybe the better way. Okay.
There will be standardization.
Wonderful. Okay. Standardization is a wonderful word. Okay.